We're going to talk about the pros and cons of hardwood flooring. Let's get started with the pros. Hardwood flooring is aesthetically pleasing and timeless, and will add warmth and elegance to any space. Hardwood is very durable as well, as long as you pick the harder species of wood and maintain it correctly. Your pets, whether big or small, will love the hard surface to walk and play on. On the flip side, hardwood can be easily scratched from dog claws. Some other cons of hardwood floor are moisture. Moisture-related issues are quite common. You have to have a home that maintains 35 to 55 relative humidity to ensure that your hardwood doesn't cup or bow. Also, spills are not so good. You want to wipe those up as quick as you can. Cleaning it is very important. Don't leave any standing water. Don't mop with a wet mop and let it evaporate. You want to use special hardwood cleaners. They evaporate quite quickly, or you want to mop it and wipe it with a towel right away. Maintenance is the key. The most durable floors you can get are hardwood that's been wire brushed. All the soft grain has been taken away and then coated. These are a much better choice for any larger animals and kid-friendly homes as well. Considering all these factors, it's crucial in making the right decision. At Nufloors Langley, we're your pet-friendly experts, so come on in and we'll help you choose the perfect floor for your furry companions.